Hello and welcome to welcome back to late night streaming. Welcome back to late night streaming. I like this voice. This is smooth, soothing. Oh fuck.
In this solution, it says if digits I, which is 9, plus 1, so I'm gonna replace that with 0.
I was gonna wanted to catch a stream before, but now I start my own. So yeah. I've been looking towards some competitive programming because I realize a lot of the algorithms would be beneficial for possible interviews. So yeah. Okay. Okay, can't see that. Exponential. Talk about using only by naive approach as associated. Mm-hmm. Smooth progression by I don't know. Yeah. I need to like find a better like a streamer voice, like when it's quiet, because it's like 2 a.m. here where I'm streaming from, but at the same time I have a tendency to be like when I talk, and it hurts my voice and also sounds really bad. So yeah, I probably need to find a way to do it better. So yeah, because this voice works for me, it's just really low. You can't hear it that well. I can test it out. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. How you doing? Yeah. This voice works for me. It's just really low. You can't hear it that well. I can test it out. Yeah. It works fine. Like, just if you listen closely, it should be fine. Where again? I was talking to Solaris earlier and helped me with like finding a line sweep algorithm, which was really nice. I think I would prefer to testing out use sites, also recommended by Solaris. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I would hope so. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Contest and resources. I think I should be fine with just starting with the bronzed. Yeah, that. This is actually interesting. It's not faculty. Addition to what? Just like normal addition. Is it at worst case? Oh. I was thinking of like the theta and small o. I don't know if it's called small o, but yeah. It's the most restrictive. Restricted.
Solaris 428. A better notation is big theta. Often when we use big O we mean big theta.
Dude, go to bed, Solaris. What the fuck are you up for? Good to see you again. It's 2 o'clock at your place too, right?
Solaris 428. I will go soon.
Yeah, now I'm just chilling. Just reading through everything, taking it easy. Yeah, I might actually need to practice this some more. Oh no. Yeah. Oh yeah. Does this like exist in Leetcode? Nope. There's new. Okay, update Zoo somewhat of a 2-pointer. Can I do this? Okay, nice.
DevGod 2020. A.
What up? Welcome to the stream. This is a late night stream. My brain is fried. I'm just doing something just to do something because I can't sleep. But yeah.
DevGod 2020. Nothing much, just got home so it's leet grinding time before bed.
Yeah, nice bro. If it's not, I can... If none.
DevGod 2020. First impressions interesting so far.
Thank you, I guess. Dude, I just started streaming like...
DevGod 2020. I wonder what 3 letters only will impact the problem.
Take. Was that a hint towards something?
DevGod 2020. So I meant first impression of the problem, but yeah, you have dark mode enabled on Lead, so my first impressions of you are pretty good.
I wish, but dude, I'm bad. I
DevGod
started.
2020.
Okay,
Not
cool.
really, just thinking out loud in chat.
Cool. But I can just say I started Leetcode 3 days ago. So like, don't think I'm some coding genius. This will be like, if you were a teaching assistant, you would fucking hate me.
DevGod 2020. Oh wow, welcome to Leetcode.
Thanks, bro. Have you like done it for a while, or is it like, yeah, are you like a competitive programmer or more just...
DevGod 2020. I've been playing for 2 years and still kinda intermediate level.
Damn. So I reckon you're like studying.
DevGod 2020. More like a casual programmer.
Cool.
DevGod 2020. Nowhere near competitive level.
Yeah, I've seen some of those guys that are like, oh, what the fuck, they're so amazing. It's incredible. I'm honestly doing it just to like have a chance at my interviews. Because I've been to a few interviews, I get screwed over by not knowing Leetcode well enough. So I'm just doing it now. Where I'm not. Let's see.
DevGod 2020. Exactly. Watching people like Kikai Impact and
Yeah.
Betsy SMP just see it Imdatali is so fun to watch.
So yeah, I'm just casually coding right now, so yeah, don't be, what's that word? Expecting anything amazing. I'm just like doing it while my battery is half drained.
DevGod 2020. Battery of what half drained?
Myself, my brain is fried today, so it's of me.
DevGod 2020. Oh lol.
Oh.
Your mental battery.
I'm just curious what this would do, like. Nine. Why did I get 9?
DevGod 2020. What's also weird is it's tagged sliding window, but K could be a 1 or 2, not 3 for ABC. DevGod 2020. So K must not be the sliding window size.
Okay, I didn't check the topics. I was like trying to go in blind. Yeah. Sliding window on this. I'll try it afterwards, but I think I'm not that far away in terms of this. I'm just wondering where the time is.
DevGod 2020. Oh wait, it's K of A's B's C's.
Okay, here's the issue.
DevGod 2020. Actually K may be sliding window size.
So this is incorrect. I should not do that, I think.
DevGod 2020. Like K asterisk 3 for ABC.
Yeah. I thought I was cooking on this. Yeah, I realized the error of my ways. I'm just thinking of like...
DevGod 2020. What is your favorite language?
I prefer Python for Leetcode, but I think I'm better in TypeScript. That's at least where I have most of my professional experience, at least like in terms of internships and part-time jobs. But yeah, I've been comfortable with Python recently, and I'm starting to rediscover a lot of the simple components.
DevGod 2020. Cool, I mostly JS. DevGod 2020. And sometimes Python 3.
Yeah, Python 3 too. I did Python before, but I just like Python 3 more now. I don't follow the convention that much, but I know it better. Okay, because this would return... Yeah, it would return too little. And this shouldn't return correct regardless. Okay, we know the minimum would be... minimum number of minutes would be less than more than 3 times k. So we could like fix it for this, but it wouldn't matter. Because it adding time. Like, how can I have a good smart checker on this? They were talking about sliding window. How would I imagine sliding window working on this? Would I need 2 sliding windows? Is that the issue? Like, okay, another way of thinking. Let's scrap this for now, because I think this is like the end. So what is the issue here? I need to find... Okay, how would a sliding window work in this situation? If I had 2 sliding windows, Because I was thinking like a 2-pointer system, but how would I ensure it works? Okay, let me see. How is this a sliding window topic? Like, I don't see how. Yeah, how hash tables are was really correct there. Okay, what's the start by count the frequency of each and checking if it's possible. Yeah, I could do that actually. That's. I could do that, but that's not like helping that much if you take X characters from the left side, what is the minimum number of characters you need to take from the right side? For this, all values of X in the range of 0. Use a 2-pointer approach. Yeah, okay, so I this might be correct, like, approach. I think I just need to because it needs to stop after finding all of these. Essentially, I don't want to check every time, or do I? Do I need to do that? I probably need this too, just like so I don't forget it later. I've had some problems with these before. Okay, what will happen now? It would still return 6. Yeah, and this would return 1, which the code is doing. This is a possible way of just summoning. This will be a horrible way of doing it, but it is a possible if can I sum. Can I sum? This is like a smart way of doing it. Yeah, I get a smart way of doing it. Some values, yeah, I should have known this. I can also do turn time if not if sum of need values equals to, it's not equals to 0. If equals to 0, else return -1. It worked, but I'm not happy with the code. ABC, why did it? Why would this be incorrect though? Because it never goes through this again. Wait a second, why is this incorrect? K would be, so what will happen on A? It starts from, it's because I added this. Is it? Don't I need it? I'd assume I needed it. Yeah. Like, how does need look now? Why? Is it like less than equals to? Output is 4. Why would the output be 4? Because you should have done this, 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 this. Oh, because they wouldn't know which one we would take. Because this is for like this would be the fast. Oh, because I prefer it to do this. I send it the wrong way. How can I combine this into one? Because the issue here is I go from the left to the right, when in this case it would be better to go right to the left.
DevGod 2020. Yay, me back with dinner.
With dinner? What time zone are you in? You have to be like in, okay, it's 2:30 here. What's the time in the United States?
DevGod 2020. Central, so it's 7:39 right now.
Okay. Cool. You're probably my first non-European viewer. This is a really bad way of test. Just like, I just want to see like what else failed because I did it this way. Oops. No, use this case. Because that will work, I would assume. Just like to verify that's the... Yeah, now it works. Because that's the issue. However, if I do something else like... Yeah, now this didn't work. Yeah. So I need to combine that somehow. How do I combine those two together? Because if I do the or... So it depends on... If they are the same... Oh, if I do it, it's gonna be horrible. I can't do it. Just to test it out. This is so bad code, so if you're watching, I'm so sorry. You do not, under any circumstances, do what I'm doing now. I'm just testing if this works. Okay, I'm kind of happy it didn't work. I'm kind of happy actually. Like what am I supposed to do? I see the issue, I don't understand how to solve it in a better way. I feel like this would do fine on a lot of tests. But since in this case, it's obviously like from the... Let me think. What if I just start on both ends and just add it to a list, to a dictionary, and the second it's What was the tip? Was a weird hint that I didn't quite understand. If you take X characters from the left side, what is the minimum numbers of characters you need to take from the right side? Find this for all values for X. Is it prefix? No, what? Oh, it is a sliding window. Oh, dude, I see it now. It's a fucked up sliding window. So fucked up.
DevGod 2020. Yet I feel like the hints are trying to gaslight you to a for N2 solution.
But I think I got it. It is a fucked up sliding window. Because it was a statement that I need the lead. It goes back to like what I had on this. Like it needs to be, for instance, in the first example case, it needs to be a minimum of 6. Because 3 times k is the minimum. So the sliding window is 3k. So for E in range of then of S, so let me see, what was it again? For instance, if we take the first element from the left side, we need to take the 5 other elements from the right side. That's the minimum though. And so it's not a fixed sliding window, it has to increase at some point if it didn't work. What is the minimum number of characters you need to take from them? We can just do it like as a fixed one for now, just to... What's the runtime on counter? And I don't want to do that though. I can do it for now just to have something. So the window would look like as of 2I plus as of minus 3k. I need the 3k plus I. I just want to see like how it would look, like if this is the correct way of thinking. Oh whoa, what happened here? Six. Okay. Okay, something weird happens here. Yeah, because it's not a 2-pointer though, because they hinted towards a 2-pointer approach. But is this what I was imagining? What? Why does it print this twice? Oh, it's... Dude, this is horrible. Yeah, but this makes sense because it fucks it up. It extends. Oh, I don't even need to iterate that far. I only need to iterate for the pre-K. Is it +1? Because I realistically, however, yeah, the sliding issue. Nope. I need. Yeah, I don't know what happens here, so I've had to figure out. This would be 6 plus I. Let's just check that it's correct for now. Yeah. I see the issue. I see what I can do. I just don't know what to do exactly. I think it's a combination of these two that will actually give the correct answer. Okay, let me see how would okay, let's just...
DevGod 2020. Oof, this is a tricky one.
Yeah, I was hoping for something easy today, but I'll try to just draw what I'm thinking. Okay, so it's a sliding window. So for instance, we have these numbers. Damn, that was so bad. 10. So a sliding window, for instance, in that case with only 6. So it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the first case. And then it would reduce. This is the first case? Is that a smart way? If this is not correct, it will check this one and it can be reduced for... How would I draw this? Like, because I kind of understand what I want in terms of I think it's easier for me to just see the code and not draw so much. So from what I can gather, it's a combination of these two, so let me see. And they will also use a hash map, to be fair. If it is because they create a counter each time, that will be really ineffective. Oh no, if I have 2 pointers. Okay, I use the 2 pointer system once again. However, the 2 pointers would be, again, just gonna write it down. Because this is the minimum what right can be. No, it doesn't need to be even start at 0. It should point to but I still get back to the same problem I had here with, like, depending on which way it goes. This is correct, while this should be enough. It shouldn't. How would I create this simply? Okay, it's a combination of fuck. Dude, this annoys me. Because this worked, like, for most of them, just not. Okay, fuck this. And go back to this. I want to augment this. The issue is this, right? It's the 4. No, the issue wasn't even this. It was the ordering of these two. Would that help? I see the answer in my head, I just can't write it down. I just, oh fucking shit. Because I understand how I can do it. Okay, so for the paint again. So for this case, it would look at these numbers. It would not be correct. Then we'd look at these numbers. If that's not correct, it would look at these numbers. And all the way until we look at these numbers. No, these numbers. If it's not correct, we know it has to be either if this we haven't found it yet, we know it has to be either these numbers or it has to be these numbers. And we try until we expand to the whole thing. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't even need to be this, it can be a variation of this. Fuck. I think I understand the concept. I hate to do it, but yeah, I might call it quits soon. Maybe not, I haven't streamed for that long. How long have I been streaming for? No, I haven't streamed for that long. How long have I been streaming? 1 hour, yeah, that's fine. Oh, I see it. And it's so frustrating not being able to see it.
Milo Labs. I saw solution. Tricky bugger.
I might do it myself too. For this is all values of x in range of. Okay, for all the minimum of numbers your characters need to take. Is it like a prefix, suffix shit? It's not here, but still. I get back to this example. If we are on the, we can start with 0 to be fair. If we here only take this element, we take 5. So we're getting 0, 6. That's the minimum to go here. Yeah, I don't know how this helps me.
DevGod 2020. God, it's so weird.
Really?
DevGod 2020. I'm drawing it out and it's like a inverted sliding window.
It's an inverted sliding window. Oh!
Milo Labs. The Ohio. DevGod 2020. But not really a inverted sliding window. DevGod 2020. Like the opposite of wanting a sliding window of k elements. DevGod 2020.
You okay? But the opposite, so essentially my sliding window finds, it points to all of the element that's not in the solution. Okay, we are here. And this is give me a second. Inverted sliding window. An inverted that would decrease in size. So if I, for instance, start at that one, I can iterate backwards. Okay, so for instance, if we, instead of looking at, okay, it could be this one, and then the sliding window could be this. They would decrease when this and increase here. Dude, I think I just want to see the solution. I hate to do that, but I think that's... I'm so curious right now. Like, what? Oh, it's Leetcode. Okay, so it's not optimal the way. The okay, total counts. Yeah, they don't even care about the... Yeah. Uh-huh. So they have the sliding window. Yeah, but this failed. I want to... Oh, this looks... Okay, let us see. Minus K. Oh, that's the window. Yeah, that's the... Let's see, count of...
Milo Labs. Python is so unreadable if not writing cell.
Yeah, totally. I'm trying to decipher it. Decipher, that's the word. Yeah, dude, sorry if you noticed, but like I'm not an English speaker, so like you would notice me fucking up.
DevGod 2020. At Milo Labs can't wait for Leetcode to add the brainfuck programming language.
Oh, wait a second, do I have other viewers? Hey, welcome Milo Labs. Welcome, welcome.
Milo Labs. LUL.
Oh my fucking god, it's impossible to understand it. I think I just look at this as easier. Okay, frequency, yeah, size. So what they are doing is creating this one as a list, fair. They have a frequency order plus equals 1 in text. Oh yeah, they have a really weird syntax here for some reason. And both start at 0. I reckon this will go into minus and this goes positive. Okay. Or again. No, yeah. Then requirement return. Yeah, so this is mainly just to like ensure the counter thing.
DevGod 2020. Brew. Failed on ABCK equals 1.
Yeah, I did the same thing. I got 4 or something. I failed on this one previously. Like now it's just the ordering problem. I failed on this one because I had a weird like how was it again? I don't remember like exactly what I did wrong, but I had the same issue. Back to solutions. Wait, yeah, back to solutions. Yeah, for right in range of size, which is the length.
DevGod 2020. https://leetcode.com/problem/take k of each character from left and right /submissions/14577962219. DevGod 2020. One really messy solution.
Oh, they don't use while loop. Size minus right minus left plus 1. One is because it iterates for the whole thing. So they have this empty.
DevGod 2020. So it's like sliding window, but instead of the condition being you want exactly k of each letter inside of the window, you want exactly k elements of each letter outside of the sliding window when you are building it. DevGod 2020. So for first test case, DevGod 2020. You can get the frequency map.
Yeah. I'm still like working on like how can I make this one work. I was so close. So like
DevGod 2020. Then say sliding window while being built can get to ob.
Oh, what happened here? What? Oh, because I was like pretty close on this one, to be fair.
DevGod 2020. But then the problem is your sliding window is no longer valid because it steals the B that would have otherwise been on the outside. DevGod 2020. So you readjust your left pointer.
Nah, but I started to see like why they did it that way. I'm just still trying to.
DevGod 2020. So then left pointer moves past ob.
Yeah. But it's kind of frustrating.
DevGod 2020. I think that's the word. it's a sliding window where you are concerned not what's on your innerst of your window, but how your window steals outside elements that wouldn't have been a part of your sliding window.
I think that's a reasonable way of explaining what's happening. What? It is not day 2. Oh, fuck it. Okay, but regardless, they have the... I call it need. I think I'm just gonna... So they have it, instead of like this, they have like a list. And yeah, I don't need that. So for order of char, sorry. I just like figure out how this is better. How is this better? Like, I need to see how neat. But
DevGod 2020. Anyway, time for me to go get laundry.
Alright, thanks for joining in. What's the issue here? Oh, it was, yeah, I see the issue here. But yeah, thanks for joining, man. It was nice to just have someone to talk to. Yeah, because it gets like... Yeah, I see. Yeah, so the requirement is to, yeah, is K. Okay, I see how they did it and why it somewhat works. So now we've done this. So for r in the range of len of s, need is then order of s of r minus order of a minus equals 1. Yeah. And if the frequency of each of them, so yeah, I was thinking of the answer 0 is less than k, or need of you get the need of order of s of L minus order of a, yeah, because the increase, yeah, and L just equals 1. I see, but still. You know what, I'm actually gonna do, just so I completely... I just don't like this one. I don't know why. Yeah, I see, I see. And this is... this was... Start there, 1, 2, 1, yeah. Yeah, I think I need to practice this more. Gonna check it out. So. Are other people? No. Yeah. Thanks for. Yeah. Hey. Do you stream yourself? Hey, fuck yeah, Minecraft.
I am an elf princess that left the kingdom, and now I like to VTube.
I fucking love you, dude. Oh fuck, he went offline now. Never mind. Yeah, I was just gonna do it for fun, but shit, it took so much longer than I expected. What's this? Like, what am I supposed to do exactly right now? I think I might end the stream and just do some self-studying. It was nice to have some American viewers. Yeah, thanks for today. I think I'll take a break. I was watching, yeah. Yeah, thanks for